Hey, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the pancreas health. So, how to improve the pancreatic health. So, in this video, we will understand about all these things related to the pancreas. So, what is the function of the pancreas? Basically, the pancreas function is different, like the production of the insulin, but also production of the glucagon as well as the growth hormone. Somatostatin also produced from the pancreas, but also the exocrine, pancreatic amylase and lipase also produced. But we will understand and focus on the insulin, because the insulin is a major problem for production, and in this way basically a lot more problem occurring in the worldwide. Why this pancreatic basically pancreatic loss and the pancreatic health problem, how the insulin will not produce too much. So a lot more things basically related to the pancreas. So how to give the health of the pancreas, this is the important and short video. If you are new, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. So let's understand without wasting any time. So the pancreas basically produce the insulin. So a lot more insulin production will lead to damage the pancreatic beta cell, which that is responsible for the production of the insulin. So in this way the insulin produce too much, and in this way the cell will exhaust due to the overusing of the production of the insulin whenever. So in this way the cell will be damaged, and in this way not produce too much insulin. So in this way the problem will occur, and in this way the low level of the insulin will lead to rise the glucose level. So how to decrease this problem? So let's understand about that. Basically, whenever you will consume the food, so it should be basically refined sugar for the spike of the insulin. So that is not good. So remember about that thing. Basically, whenever you will intake the food like carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate, even the protein, but the major refined sugar, whenever you will consume the too much refined sugar, so in this way blood glucose level will be rise. So this blood glucose level required for decreasing the level of the blood glucose, hyperglycemia to the normal level of the glucose required the insulin. So again and again striking to the beta cell of the pancreas for the production of the insulin, for deposit the extra glucose into the tissue, and in this way again and again spiking of the insulin will lead to damage the insulin producing cell beta in the pancreas, will lead to damage. So in this way the health of the pancreas will be damaged. So in this way you should not consume the carbohydrate, refined sugar, but use only the ketogenic diet, basically containing high fat, because the high fat will buffer the insulin, and in this way whenever the buffer the insulin, in this way low spike of the insulin will lead to beta cell go into the rest, and in this way that rest is the recovery, and in this way not too much production of the insulin will lead to repair and prepare the insulin, and in this way the insulin work properly and not overload to the pancreatic beta cell. In this way the insulin will not produce too much. In this way that pre-diabetic and insulin resistance will also prevent. On the other hand, if you are basically type 1 diabetes mellitus, so the overload of the glucose will decrease. In this way the pancreas will work obviously, but sometime not, but sometime work. So this is the important thing is about the pancreatic health. So pancreatic health is too much important due to the restriction of the glucose. Whenever you will stop the glucose intake, so in this way the pancreatic beta cell will improve. In this way the health of the pancreas will improve. But so let's understand about with a bullet point. The important thing is that the exercise and ketogenic diet, stop sugar with a low carb, so ketogenic diet, and fasting, which that also improve the beta cell of pancreas, but also the caloric restriction, which that will lead to increase the beta cell of pancreas. In this way basically the exercise, a lot more things basically which that will lead to buffer the damage of the beta cell of pancreas. But important thing you should need to understand, the sleep is very important for the recovery and the normal glucose level, because whenever you will go into the sleep, so ultimately fasting will occur. So fasting is very important for the normal glucose level in your blood, and in this way the beta cell of pancreas will not damage your body. So basically not even beta cell of pancreas will not damage itself, not body basically, but itself, it will not damage. And in this way, the normal glucose level will buffer the damaging of the beta cell of pancreas, but also the beta cell of pancreas will work properly, and in this way the insulin problem will be clear, and in this way you will not able to inject the insulin exogenously, like the insulin injection. So in this way you will basically save the money also. So in this way, I hope you make sense about that. In this way you can improve your beta cell of pancreas, even the whole health of the pancreas. So in the next video for December, Allah Hafiz.